What up, do? Good evening, guys, and welcome back to another QuanMetria's training tips webinar. I will be your host tonight, James J. Quan Everett. And before I get started, you guys, I see we have a few people on the line, and I'm assuming that you are all clients of ours. But just in case you've ran across this video on YouTube and you're interested in our topic tonight, let me just forewarn you that I'm very informal. Um, I just want to get straight to the point, but keep it real and keep it myself. So, everybody, since you're at home or wherever you're watching this video, relax. Let your hair down because if you're like me, you work from home, so you should just be chilling. Okay, so tonight's topic, we're going to deal with how to add blog posts to your personal or company website. Okay, so how to add blog posts to your personal or company website. And must I add, that's your WordPress website. We at QuanMetria, we are a fan base of WordPress. And so we create all of our websites through WordPress. Okay, so here's I'm gonna use Armetria's newest website as an instructional grounds. Okay, so if we go here, and all y'all, you guys know Armetria. That's my lady boss, and this is her new website that we created. So if I click on blog and go to her blog page, you see we have a few samples here. And so I'm going to show you how to add this. And then this is the blog page. And once you click on the blog, the title of the current blog, then it will take you to the blog itself. And for your fan, so there's a lot of things. I'm just going to keep it real simple. Um, might not have time tonight to get into um, all of this extra stuff here. So I'm just going to basically show you how to add contact, content to a photo. Okay, so you guys ready? Let's go. So the first thing you want to do, and most of you guys, if you're like our clients, we created the website and we monitor and maintain and do the maintenance of the website. But as I said, you will want to be able to get in and add your own personal blogs because it is your website. And so you should have access to the back office because you paid for it, so you should have access. So if we're dealing with WordPress, which is what we deal with, how to get to your WordPress back office. In this case, this particular website is Armetria. Shaw. Then it will be .com, which is your website address. But then you're going to / WP for WordPress dash admin for administration. And then you're going to hit enter, which here we go, which in this case, our username in this example will be James. And then you will have a password, which you will get from your web designer because he would already have all of this set up for you. Okay, and so then you will hit login. Okay, and so this is your dashboard and the back office of your website. And so this stuff here, media pages, projects, appearance, plugins, and all that, unless you are the one maintaining your own website, leave all this stuff alone. Okay, That's really none of your business. You're going to mess something up. So stay away from all of that. Leave that to your tech guy. Okay? Where you want to go is here. Posts. And click on all posts. Okay? This is where you live. And as you can see, those are the two um, blogs that I just showed you in our Metria's on our Metria's page. So when we add, you want to go here and add new. Okay? And so when you get here, this is set up just like your Microsoft WordPress. The same way you will type in a letter or however you work use Microsoft Words. This is done the same way. So you will want to start with a title, and let's say sample test. Okay. Then you would go in here, and I'll paste something in. But so I recommend, already in your Microsoft, copy, write out your content and then just copy it, and then you can come straight here and paste it. Or for you guys who just want to type it straight out, you can type it straight out from here, and you'll put it in. And so then you would come over here, and before you click publish, these are some other formats, like you want to click standard and keep it standard. Unless you're doing a video, you can add videos, audios to your, which that's another tutorial. We're just going to deal with a standard blog page. So click standard, and then down here you have your categories. If you need to add a category, you will hit add category and you type in your category. But for Armetria, we have Armetria's thoughts of the day. She might do business blogs, blogs on entrepreneurs, finance, lifestyle, and just motivation. These are just some different categories. So whatever category you want to add your blog to. So today we're just going to do, let's say, Armetria's thoughts. So I would just click that. Okay. Another note down here at the bottom. If you notice, if we go here back to Armetria's page, you see we have the picture here, but that's not what that picture is for. It's for here. Click on blog. I said click on blog. And sorry guys, my computer is moving mighty slow today. You see there's no picture here. And so if I wanted to add a picture there, that's where this will be. Okay. And this is like, these are all the images that's on her page already. But if you're doing a blog and you need to upload an image from your files, you would go to upload files, and from there you would go through the process of uploading the video that you want to use in your blog. And once you've uploaded, it will stay in your media. So let me give you an example. Like I said, we didn't have pictures there, but I'll just give you an example. So let's say if I was using this, I would go here and set featured image. And there you see it down there. And once I was completed, I would go to publish. You hit publish. And then let's go to the website. Hit refresh. And as you see, it's which you will have to make sure that your size is right. Get your right pixels for the size of your photo. You see this is too large, so I will have to go back in and resize that which is something you would have to play with getting your size, or you might need your Photoshop guide to get you the right dimensions for that. And that's why ours is just clean on this. But nevertheless, this is the post, and as you can see, sample test. This is something else that I want to show you right here. You see where it says by James, but clearly it's not by James, it's by Armetria, but you see Armetria's thoughts of the day, and then that's the post. And then if you was to click on the title, now you would go into the actual web, actual post. You see? So there's a few things I want to correct. One, I'm going to take this out because you can see we don't have, and show you how to in if we go, let me show you this. See, there's no picture on the feature, but if you click on the actual post, we have a picture in the post. You see what I'm saying? So let me show you how to do that. Copy, copy. You guys still with me? Somebody give me a thumbs up if you're still with me. Great, good deal. You guys hear me all right? Give me a thumbs up if you hear me okay. Cool. All right, so let's get rid of that. So I will come back here and remove featured image. Okay. Now to add, like I said, it's just like Microsoft Words. So if I wanted to add, wherever I hit the cursor, that's where the picture is going to appear. So I want the picture at the top. And so go here to add media. Again, our pictures come up again. And like I said, if these are the pictures that's already on your web page or you've already uploaded. But if you need to upload a new photo, just go to upload files, and you just find whatever whatever file your photo was in, and then just upload it, and then it would come here to your media library. So I love this picture here. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I would insert it. But here it's different. This is like using Microsoft Words. When the photo, I don't want it that big, you just click on the photo. Click on the photo. Let me slide this up a little bit. And then you just grab the corner and you drag it down. You resize it by dragging it down. Okay. So once you got that, you also, I want to center it. So I will go here and center. Okay. Now once you've made, when you make any changes, you always have to remember to update. Okay. Now you remember where it showed me as the author. You see what I'm saying? Last edited James. I want to change that. So how I would change that? Go back to all pages, and well, if you ever need to make any changes after the fact, like here, 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 you would just come here and click edit, and that will take you back to the page. You make any kind of edits. You might have spelled something wrong, made a mistake, want to change something out, etc., etc. That's how you would do that. But for what we're dealing with, go to all posts and go to quick edit. You see, and that's our, remember, our title, sample test. So if you want to change the title, that's fine. Right here, let's say you created the post 2 days ago or yesterday, which was February the 28th, but you're just uploading it today, which is March the 1st, but you want to use the 28th. Right here is how you would change the date and the time, but you don't have to do the time. Well, that's on you. So this is where you would do that. Remember the categories, that's here. If you want to change the categories, that's fine. Down here you could make the post word um, password protected. You can make it private, but here where it says author, because depending on your website, you might have a few people who have access to blogs. So on this page, I'm one and Armetria is one. So Armetria, we would go here and click on Armetria. Okay. And remember, whenever you make any changes, you click update or publish. Okay, and so you see how it has now changed to Armetria being the author. Okay, and Armetria thoughts of the day. But if we go to our website and we refresh, you can see the featured picture is gone, but sample test by Armetria Michaud. Okay, you see that? And so if you click now to go to the page, here we go, sample test. There's the picture. And we slide down. Now, this particular blog has submit your comments if you want to interact, and you can remove this and to where they're not able to leave comments, or you can have a comment page. Okay, and over here, these are your recent posts. So this is now how your visitors are seeing your page, and so you can actually which get with your maintenance guys, because this could show 10 blogs, 5 blogs, 2 blogs, the archives, which, as you start to create blogs, like you can go back to your December's, and so it would just show just your December's blogs. But this is how, again, where your visitors will see your page. So with that, that's the basics of how to add blogs to your personal or company website. I hope I went through it. Is everybody okay? Give me a thumbs up if you're okay. If not, you can always inbox me or hit me up. But like I said, this video will be available on our personal website or our YouTube website if you need to go back and um, view it again and again and again until you got it right. So with that, I thank you guys for taking time out of your day to join me on this webinar. And we will see you soon. Have a good night. Deuces.